To fix the DasherDirect app when it's not working, consider taking a few steps. First, transfer your funds to another account to avoid getting stuck and unable to make transactions. Next, try restarting both your device and the app, as this can often resolve freezing issues by clearing any glitches that may be affecting performance. Just be sure to close the app entirely before restarting your device. It's also a good idea to check for updates, as an out-of-date app can cause connection errors. If updates are available, install them on your device. Additionally, clearing the app cache files can be helpful on an iOS device. Do this by going to Settings, then General, and selecting iPhone Storage. From there, find the DasherDirect app, and tap Offload App to clear the cache. After clearing the cache, try reinstalling the app to see if it's now working properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with the DasherDirect app and get it functioning again.